Do you see this
It's
foot?
still there?
Yeah. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. She was born with an extra little toe. See, because this one, she has only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's how many you have, Uncle Ken has.
I have 10.
Well, 5 plus 5 is 10, yes. Go ahead, keep washing. But yeah, little one, she was born with an extra toe. This is because I was born with extra toes and 1 finger. And she's going to have surgery soon and get it off.
When?
She gets her, get this foot. She gets seen in a couple weeks. Here, I'll go ahead and get her privates, okay? She gets seen in a couple weeks, and then they'll probably schedule a surgery from there. So, the Shriners Hospital, they wanted to wait 4 to 6 months, and we're like, she's gonna be close to walking by then. We're not gonna wait that long.